been sailing through the dark for so long, chasing echoes where the stars had all gone. Ocean black as every sleepless night, but I kept my hands upon the wheel and held on tight. Every storm that tried to pull me under only taught me how to breathe through thunder. And the compass in my chest kept spinning true through the longest night I've ever wandered through. And I see it now, a line of gold where the water meets the sky. I can feel it now, the world is turning and I finally know why. We will find a way through the waves and through the silence. We will find a way. There's a sunrise on the other side of night. We will find a way. Every ocean has a shore that's waiting. Hold on, hold on. The light is coming and it's gonna be alright. New horizons. I used to count the shadows on the wall, memorize the shape of every fall. But the tide has turned beneath my feet, and every scar became a map to something sweet. Now the water's warm and crystal blue, and the sky's a shade I never knew. There are islands out there I can see, and they're calling out a song for you and me. I see it now, golden fire where the darkness used to be. I can feel it now, something beautiful is waking up in me. We'll find a way through the waves and through the silence. We will find a way. There's a sunrise on the other side of night. We'll find a way. Every ocean has a shore that's waiting. Hold on, hold on. The light is coming and it's gonna be alright. We found a brand new morning. For every night I thought the dawn would never come, for every road that led to nowhere. I'm standing in here, and the horizon's burning gold. I'm standing in the light, and it feels like coming We will find a way through the waves and through the silence. We will find a way. There's a sunrise on the other side of night. We will find a way. Every ocean has a shore that's waiting. Hold on, hold on. The light is coming and it's gonna be alright. We will find this bright. We found our way. Found me.